You can do this right now. You think AI art is complicated, but in just 5 minutes, you'll create your first stunning image from scratch. No downloads, no apps, just your browser and your imagination. No setups, no headaches. Here are 5 quick steps, instant results, even if you're just starting out. Step 1. Go to midjourney.com. Click Sign In. Use Google or Discord. 2 clicks and you're in. Quick heads up, Midjourney is a paid service. But to get started and see all the magic, the basic subscription is more than enough. No need for a big investment upfront. Just pick the basic plan and you'll have full access to all the creative tools you need. Step 2. Type exactly what you want to see. Try minimalist black hat, graphic logo style, white background. The clearer your prompt, the better your results. Step 3. Hit generate. In seconds, your art appears. Pick your favorite. Fast, beautiful, totally unique. Step 4. Want it bigger or a little different? Upscale or variate. Just 1 click. Download your creation, ready for your project, your post, or your pitch. Step 5. Want more control? Add --AR 16:9 for widescreen, or type cinematic if you want extra mood or style. Experiment. It's your creative playground. Not sure what to try first? Here are 5 creative tasks that Midjourney makes faster, easier, and more fun. Logo ideas for brands or projects. Mood boards and style frames for pitches. Unique illustrations for articles or banners. Character and mascot design. Playful, pro, you choose. Product mockups and standout ad visuals for social media. See, you're already creating like a pro. Next up, I'll show you how to control camera angles and make your images pop. Subscribe and join me. Let's master AI art together.